Hey, and welcome back to another video. And in this week's video, we're going to take a look at context menu in SwiftUI. A context menu is a pop-up that we can easily add into our SwiftUI apps to give the user a menu of options from where they can perform an action. So let's actually add a context menu to our text view so that we have this on the screen now. So on your text, if you just type out underneath it .context menu, you'll get this new modifier where you're able to specify the menu options that you want to show within it. So if you just hit enter. So now within this context menu, in order to get these actions, what we need to do is actually use buttons. And if you want to learn more about buttons in SwiftUI, then check out my video, buttons in SwiftUI, and also iOS 15 button styles and materials in SwiftUI on the SwiftUI sessions playlist. Now in here, let's just add in 2 buttons. Okay, cool. So we've added in 2 buttons, but right now they're not actually going to do anything because we just want to see them showing up within our context menu. Now, if you go into your preview and you tap on Hello World, nothing is going to happen. So in order to actually show these 2 buttons, what you need to do is actually hold down on the text. And you can now see that once we hold down on the text, we now get our 2 actions that if you tap on them, they would actually execute and perform some kind of action. So we just added in 2 buttons there, but if we wanted to, we're not actually just limited to using just buttons as well. We could actually have buttons with labels. So let's see what this looks like and how it renders it. Okay, cool. So now if we just hold down on Hello World this time, you now notice that we get our buttons with their labels where the icon is aligned to the right hand side like so. So you may be wondering, when would this context menu be useful? Well, this is useful where, let's say for example, you had an image on the screen and you want to perform some kind of action, like if someone holds down on the image, you had an option here to share that picture with someone. That's when context menus can be useful. They allow us to add gestures to views where we can perform actions based on a long press. So this was a quick video just to show you how context menu works. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up and also left some feedback in the comment section below. Also as well, if you haven't already, I'd really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to get updates whenever I release a new video. That's everything from me. I'll catch you on a bit. Deuces.